YouTube, hello. So I've just stepped inside the tree line just to get away from the wind noise. What I'm going to show you and what we're going to have a look around is what we've rented this weekend on our breakaway from the Lake District. So we've been to the Lake District a couple of times. Once in a hotel, once in a like a cottage with a log cabin. So we're coming away from the Lake District again. 2 nights, wanted to do something a little bit different, something neither of us have ever done before, and this is what we went with. So what we did is we rented this 2016 Volkswagen Transporter that's been converted into a campervan. So like I said then, we rented this, and where we found it was a website called www.yescapa.com. It's spelled Y-E-S-C-A-P-A. Stumbled across this by accident, no one told me about it. I literally typed in Google, campervans to rent near me, and the website come up. Now, this van is not owned by a company, it's owned by a couple, and they advertise their van on this website and you rent it out through the website. Just like when you select stuff for holidays or B&Bs, you put where you are, how far you're willing to travel to pick the van up, the dates that you want to rent it from, and so on and so forth. So this van, for 2 nights, I collected it at 12 o'clock on Friday. I've got it till 8 o'clock tonight, which is Sunday. So quite a decent amount of time. Cost me £210. Absolute bargain. That includes the insurance as well. So you upload photocopies of your driving licence and your passport and an address with a bill with proof of ID onto the website, and they insure you. The people that we rented this off are called Chris and Suzanne. They're absolutely, I can't say enough good things about them. The quality of the van that they've got for the money is unbelievable. It's only done, this van is only done, when we collected it, it had done 11,500 miles. So it's now done 11,700. We're allowed to do 310 miles, 500 kilometres over 2.5 days. So it's 310 miles we're allowed to do in this van, which is, you know, is more than reasonable for what we've used it for. So we'll start in the cockpit, we'll have a bit of a look around, and we'll make our way back and we'll have a look in the back. So like I said then, we'll start with the cockpit, we'll have a look around. So as you can see, as you open the door, we've got these beautiful leather seats with the 2-tone with the brown and cream. Volkswagen logo stitched into the headrest. Now, first thing I will say getting in as we step into the van, I'll just shut the door to get rid of the wind noise, is the quality. Now, you wouldn't expect anything less from Volkswagen, but the quality is absolutely unreal. The steering wheel's leather coated, it's absolutely fantastic. Turn the ignition on. I'm not going to start the van, but you can see, just turn the radio down. Now, I believe this is a standard fitment from Volkswagen sat-nav head unit, stereo unit. I can't fault it for what we've used it for. You can zoom out so you can get an overview of where you are. You can see that's us, that red arrow. You can see we're at Lake Windermere. That's just at the top. Absolutely fantastic. Passenger seat exactly the same. 5-speed manual in this, guys. Not wanted for that 6th gear. I believe it's the 105 brake horsepower. I'm not a transport, a Volkswagen kind of guru, but I believe that's what it is. That's why it's got the 5 gears instead of a 6. It's only 105 brake. I'm not wanted for any more power. Maybe going up and down some of the bigger hills, but nothing too major that I've lacked the power for. So as you can see, this is the inside. Armrests on both seats. The cockpit's the cockpit, it's pretty straightforward, isn't it? We'll go around now and we'll have a look in the back. Stepping into the back then, as you can see, it's got the sliding door. It's got a table in the middle. It detaches and folds away from when you're driving. Just put it up for the purposes of this video. So the rear, kitted out just like the front, same seats, Volkswagen in headrest. So this is called, and correct me if I'm wrong guys, a rock and roller bed. There's a handle just down there, and this bed pulls out flat, and it, again, correct me if I'm wrong, but I'm pretty sure it's the same size as the bed or very similar. We've had a double duvet in here and a double bed bottom sheet, and it's fitted just fine. So this is it, we're inside. Absolutely can't fault this van enough. Plenty of storage, cupboards, top, there's one here, there's one just under the sink which is here, and there's a fridge just down there. Nice sink unit here, sink there, 2 gas hobs just there. We've used this, we've cooked our breakfast on it for the last 2 days. Cannot fault it. We've had bacon, sausage, egg and beans. We've only got 2 hobs, so you have to make an order. So we made boiled eggs, then we bought them bacon and beans, and it's absolutely fantastic. Window for some fresh air, curtains on every window, so it's nice and you can make it nice and dark and private at night. So light switches, LED lights all around. And LEDs in the roof. TV folded away at the top. Absolutely cannot fault this one guys, I've had absolutely amazing time with it. Sad times. Made it home. Gonna give the van a wash down before we take it back. Around the front, typical British weather as well. Just started to rain as I'm washing. All these bugs. All over the van's a bit wet now because obviously I've rinsed it. So what we're going to use next is a Citrus pre-wash auto finesse once again. Now, because of how much you use each time you use this, it would be pointless to buy a small amount, so about 5 litres of it. This is it. This is how it comes. And I bought myself the auto finesse pro mixing bottle. Let's fill it up to the top. And we'll just spray it all over the van, all over the affected areas. I tend to cover most of the vehicle with it, I'll cover most of the van with it. Just takes a little bit of time. It is worth it for the results because it doesn't just do bugs. Like I say, it's a pre-wash, so it'll cover road grime and just do it and stuff like that. So yeah, now it's properly raining. So like I was saying then, with the pre-wash, I didn't see the point of buying it in such a small quantity, like a litre. I bought 5 litres of it and filled the drum up, so this was full. It says 800 on the bottle, but I actually filled it all the way to the top up here. And you can see I've used the best part of half a bottle, but I have covered all of the van, so all the front. I put more on the front because there's a lot of bugs and stuff on there, but I've covered all the van. I'll have a quick look, try and not too long because of the rain. But you can see the bubbles and stuff on the van. And all I'll do next is I'll let that kind of soak in, if you like. I don't know if that's the right word, soak in, and let it like bond, not bond, but like soak into the van, soak into the grime. A good 5 minutes, let it soak in. We'll jet wash it off, and it's time for snow foam. Everybody's face. The pre-wash done. Let's say let it soak in, and I've just rinsed it off. I'm going to show you the results so you can see, because I was a bit sceptical with the pre-wash, and I know a lot of people use it. I never really didn't see the point, because you're going to snow if I'm going to snow foam, but I'm sold on it and I think it's brilliant. So showing you all the bugs at the front. So all I've done, I've not contact washed the van at all. I've literally just applied the pre-wash, let it soak in, and I've jet washed it off. My snow foam lamps, fill it with warm water. Again, it may seem like I am, but I can assure you I'm not sponsored by Auto Finesse, but I'd like to be, because I think the products are fantastic. Snow foam avalanche. So that's been on there now about 5 minutes. I'm going to jet wash it off. It's cool and it's snow foam. So we'll jet wash it off. I'll show you the paintwork again, and you can kind of see the effects just of that citrus pre-wash and the snow foam. So yeah, let's get the foam off. We've jumped forward a bit now, mainly because the battery died on the camera. Well, because the battery died on the camera. Jumped forward a bit. So what I've done is, where we left off is we rinsed the snow foam off. From there, I used Auto Finesse Lava Car Shampoo. Again, I'm not sponsored, but Auto Finesse, if you're watching this, I'd love to be. And we gave it a contact wash. I rinsed it off, and then I used the Auto Finesse. You can see I like Auto Finesse Deluxe Drying Towel to dry the van off with. And well, to be honest, the results kind of speak for themselves. To go back. I'd be lying if I said I'm not going to miss it. I think one's on the cards one day. Definitely, absolutely awesome bit of kit. Had a look round it, bit of driving across the ferry in Windermere. I've washed it, it's time to return it. Like I said in the video, I've rented this off of people who've advertised it on a website called yescapper.com. I'll put all the links in the description and below. I'm going to send a link to this video to the owners of this, so I hope if you do watch it, or you don't mind that I've done this, and you don't mind I've given it a good wash. Thanks very much, thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please remember, comment, like, and subscribe. Bye, Transporter. Nice one.